So today I just received this package on my door. It is a graphic tablet. Now let's see what is inside the box. So it has this crazy tablet, and it also has an active pen, and Huion also sent me a pen holder with it which has extra nibs inside it, and I just got this sleeve to keep my tablet in. Okay, Mr. Linkin editor, give me some sexy b-rolls. Oh yeah! For this project I am using Jazzas signature brushes. If you also want them, link is given in the description below. Okay, sketching done. Now let's start inking. Oh yeah! Okay, inking done. Now let's add some base colors. Oh yeah! Okay, I will be back as soon as the base colors are done. Okay, now let's start adding some highlights. Oh yeah!
Just love me harder, have no mercy on me, just tell me louder. If you're loving me, just love me harder, have no mercy on me, just tell me louder. If you're loving me. Can I tell you what I want? Can I tell you what I need? Can I tell you what I want?
Okay, now I am done. Hope you liked the review.
Harder, have no mercy on me.